Hey, Tripp Crosby here in the Tech Expo. There's so much here in the Expo. You're gonna find partnering brands like Wasabi and Backblaze. I'll tell you, this is a hot partner of Veeam with your brand.
Blazing hot.
They're blazing hot. Elton, what do you love about being here at VeeamON?
The energy, provide the new stuff.
Yes.
Selling cloud storage.
I'm gonna taste some of this hot sauce.
Yeah, we should do it right now.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna regret that. I gotta talk. I don't wanna like.
Come on, don't be a baby.
Did you just call me a baby?
Don't be one.
Okay.
Cheers.
Woo!
It's tasty.
That's good though. This place is swag city, okay? We've got beach balls. Let's see. Let's find some other swag that's noteworthy. What kind of swag are we looking at over here?
What kind of swag are you?
Yeah.
Well, it's Miami. So, of course, we have to have the classic 1111 sunglasses.
Ooh.
You know,
Can
it's
I have a
bright
pair of
outside.
those?
Of course you can have a pair.
Because I lost my other pair today.
There you
Here
go.
we go. Give me the one sentence why you love being in VeeamON.
The people, the place, the tech, and I mean, we're the biggest of them all. So we're here every time.
All right, there you go. What do you got swag-wise? That's really all I care about.
Swag-wise, we have shirts and sunglasses.
Ooh, could I definitely have a pair of sunglasses? I've been all over this place looking for good swag, and I finally found it. So let's go ahead and see what the other dudes have to offer. Let's talk to the guys at Scality and gals.
Hi, how are you? Why do I love VeeamON? Look at the people, look at the networking.
Look at the people.
We're having a great time over here, so come see us at the Scality booth.
We will. And we're talking to right now a lot of people watching the event virtually, so they're going to look for ways to interact with you guys. By registering at VeeamON.com for free, you can interact with all of Veeam's partner solutions, including Scality.